A two-story house in a well-maintained gated community named Regent Home 1 San Sai. This house has everything with a fully furnished and ready to move in. Hi everyone, you meet me again. I'm Nun from Perfect Home. This video I'm gonna show you guys a two-story house behind me. This house is in gated community named Regent Home 1 in San Sai. This house has total 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the land size is 89 square feet, and the house inside is 180 square meters. This house is faced in front is faced to southeast. So it's quite, you will get the sun in the morning, but in the afternoon, it will be crossover to in the back. So I'm gonna show you the house, right? But first part, I'm gonna show is, of course, is a garage. The garage, you can park properly 2 cars. One can be full in the shade, right? But another one probably half under the shade and half under the sun. And they will have one door to go to the kitchen side, and also they have the storage here in case you want to keep some things or some stuff here. And they have the garden. This one can connect to another garden in the back. So follow me to go to the inside the house. Welcome to inside to the house. Of course, when you walk into the house, the first part, you meet the living area. They have 2 door, corner of the door here. And you can see they have 2 doors. First door is with the mosquito net, and the second one is sliding door. I think the size is quite really big because you can put television here, but then you can change to another corner that you can adjust later. And they have 2 sofas with the L shapes. And behind me, this side, they have the dining table for 6 people, but you can change because you still have space enough to change to the bigger one. And I will show, the bathroom, the first bathroom. This is the door that I mentioned, right? We come from the garage. And this is the bathroom. Come with the shower with a water heater and attracting fans here, toilet and the sinks here. And the next to the bathroom is a kitchen. Kitchen is quite bright because I have the door to go to the back garden here, and the big 2 windows here. And every furniture that you see in this video is included with the sale. And you see they have refrigerator, washing machine, microwave, the sinks, and the mini cupboard, the oven and the wood here. So for the garden, we can see it later. So but now I will show you to go up to see the second floor. Now we set up to the second floor. On the second floor, they will have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And you can see that the floor is changed to the parquet one. It will make the house warm, and also it's not hot in the summer. Like I'm gonna show you the bedroom, the first bedroom. The first bedroom is the smallest one with a 3-foot mattress. They come with a 2 corner of the window and 1 aircon. Okay, just remember that every bedroom have the aircon. So it's quite bright because the window quite big and they have 2 corners. Next to the bedroom is a bathroom. This comes up with the toilet, the sink, water heater, and electric fans. And it's a high ceiling. So I think it's quite good for the wind to flow and not hot inside. So let's see the second bedroom. This bedroom will be bigger for the first and then the first one. It's come up with 1 bed here, 1 wardrobe, television, 1 aircon, and of course they have 2 corners of the windows. They have quite really have a big window. That's why the room's quite bright here. So follow me to the third bedroom. The third one will be different because they have the balcony. See, it looks bigger because they changed to the king size bed with the aircon, big window here, and the door to go out to the balcony. And this side they put the wardrobe with the makeup table. So I show you the last one, the master one. Okay, follow me to the master bedroom. Of course, this is a master, then the size, the biggest one, come with the king size bed, the wardrobe, the makeup table, and of course they have the balcony and you have the door to go outside. And this side you also have space. Probably you can put the table to make it like the office. And they have ensuite bathroom. See, they use all the same color with every bathroom. It's coming with toilet, the sinks, mirror, and water heater and ejecting fans here. See, this is really nice here. So I'm gonna show you guys the garden. Let's go inside with me. We move out of the outside of the house. We are at the garden now. And you can see we still have some space to plant the tea, some flower. Or maybe you can make outside kitchen and hanging across around here. Or you can do like the barbecue zone for the outside. And at the corner they have water tank with the water pump. I already showed you guys all inside the house and garden. What do you think? Do you like it? I would like to know your comment, or you have any question, you can leave me the comment below this video. So let me wrap up all information about this house again. This house is a 2-story house. It's in gated community named Regent Home 1 San Sai. They have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and they can park 2 cars in the garage. And the land size is 89 square watt, and the house inside is 180 square meter. For this facility, it's quite really, well maintained. They have swimming pool, and they have 24 security. For the direction, I will suggest you the easy way. If you start from Central Festival, it takes only 4 kilometers to this house. When you, just go straight, and this gated community will be in your left-hand side. And this one, near the face market, is named Sam Yak Market. Sam Yak Market is only 3 kilometers. And also, if in front of this community, it takes only 100 meters to the convenience store. So it's really convenient to go to anywhere. So if you like this video, please click like or share to your friend, to anyone. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel to see what we're gonna have for next video. But and also, if you want to visit or you have any question, you can call me this number, right? But today I have to say goodbye for this video. Bye.